First of all, my name is Kajul Lakshman Rathod. I completed my BTech in Civil from Government College of Engineering. I started teaching physics as a fresher from current year. Also, I opened my own YouTube channel, which is in which I posting some videos related about physics or some concept of physics, which is I just started just started. Uh, the, the pattern of teaching in nowadays there is in a 3D ways, in which the an academy has contributing much more effort in this to teach and understand the concept to a student in a better way with the 3D visualization, and also with the images in which they providing us the videos to the student in which they can understand the concept much betterly, also in a simple way and with a less effort. So in that way we are also try to teaching and upgrading us upgrading us to the understand the concept to the student, understand the concept to the student. So so in which I make physics content plan for 11th IIT JEE level chapters. I make the plan for that, in which the first chapter is that unit and measurement. So it is an introductory part which is requires our whole journey toward 11th and 12th, in which how the unit and measurement we can calculate, or the international system of units, which is already uh, it is already so our first chapter is that unit and measurement, in which that we are going to study about some basic concept of a units, in which the unit in this chapter we are going to study about units and measurement. There are some units which is international system of unit, which is international unit, significant figures and dimensions of physical quantities, dimension formula, dimension equation, how we can calculate the dimensions for the any formulas. We are going to study in this chapter. The estimated time for that is about 4 hours, and our I can say this is the most easier chapter of the 11th. In the second chapter is that motion in a straight line. There is in which we are going to study about velocity, speed, acceleration, some equation of uniformly accelerated motion. We are going to study this chapter. And the time required to take the whole chapter is about 3 hours. And there is a chapter third in which we are going to study about motion in a plane. There is some introductory part in which we are going to study how to resolving vectors, motion in a plane, projectile motion, how the projectile motion occur. We are going to study and calculate through the formula. There is also uniformly circular motion, and the estimated time for that is about 4 hours. And then the our fourth chapter is that laws of motion. So in this chapter there is some laws, which is Newton's laws of motion. There are three laws of motions we are going to study in this chapter. Also other concept we are going to study in this chapter. So the estimated time for that it is about 10 hours. Our fifth chapter is that work, energy, power, and in this chapter we are going to study about work, energy, and power, which is this chapter is much not much uh, easier or not much harder, but with the concept if the concept of our concept is clear, this chapter become also the easier. There are some theorem is also in this chapter. We are going to study about that about we are going to study about work, energy, also power. There is a concept of potential energy, kinetic energy. We are going to study in this chapter. So the estimated time for that is about 12 to 13 hours for the full chapter. Our next chapter is that system of particle and rotation. We are we are studying in this chapter about the center of mass, motion of center of mass, a linear momentum of system of particles, vectors, product of two vectors. There are some momentum of inertia. Also, there are some concepts we are going to study in this chapter. The estimated time for that is about 15 to 16 hours. This chapter is much bigger than with the with the comparatively with the other chapters. Then our next chapter is that gravitation. In gravitation, we are going to study about the uh, Kepler laws. There is a Kepler law, universal law of gravitation, which is given by the Newton sir. Also, we are finding the gravitational constant. How we can calculate gravitation constant, the units of gravitation constant. Also, we are going to study acceleration due to gravity of the Earth. There are some other concepts like escape speed, gravitation, potential energy. The satellite revolving around the Earth, how they are revolving, we are going to calculate in this chapter. The estimated time for that are about 10 hours. Then our next chapter is that mechanical properties of solid. How we can calculate the stress and strain. There is a Hooke's law we are going to study in this chapter. Stress strain curve, which is important for our academic academic year. There is estimated time for that is about 5 hours. Then our next chapter is that mechanical properties of fluid. In this chapter, we are going to study introductory part of this chapter. There is we are going to study about the pressure, streamline flow, Bernoulli's principle, viscosity, surface tension. We are going to study this chapter. Also, these concepts are important for our further studies for engineering or in other field. The estimated time for that is about 6 hours. Thermal properties of matter. Thermal means temperature. We are going to study about the properties about the heating of the matters or others. We are going to study about the temperature and heat, measurement of temperature, ideal gas equation, thermal expansion, specific heat capacity, calorimetry, change of state of matter. We are going to study how the heat is transferred from one object to another. Newton's law of cooling. We are going to study in this chapter. The estimated time for that is about 12 hours. Also, the 11th chapter, our 11th chapter is that thermodynamics. There are some law we are going to study in this chapter. There is zeroth law, first law of thermodynamics, second law of thermodynamics, a reversible and irreversible process, Carnot engine. We are going to study in this chapter. The estimated time for that is about 12 hours. Then our 12th chapter is that kinetic theory. In this chapter, we are going to study about the molecular nature of matter, behavior of gases, kinetic theory of ideal gases, law of equipartition of energy, specific heat capacity, mean free path. We are going to study in this chapter. The estimated time for that is about 7 hours is required for this. It is the whole chapter. Then our next chapter is that oscillation. First of all, there is this, we are going to introducing some concept about how the oscillation is occur. So there are some points which, which we are going to study in this chapter. There are the harmonic motion, simple harmonic motion, uniform circular motion, velocity acceleration in simple harmonic motion, force law of simple harmonic motion. This concept we are going to study in this chapter. The estimated time for that is about 8 hours. Then the last chapter of 11th is that floating chapter, which is waves. There are the two types, general two types of waves, transverse and longitudinal waves. This type of concept we are going to study in this chapter. Also, the how much speed of the traveling waves we are going to study in this chapter. Reflection of waves, fields we are going to study in this chapter. The time required to teach the whole syllabus of 11th is about 118 hours required for teach the whole chapters. So thank you for being with us and being for guiding us to how to make the videos by the academy platform in which they are going in which they update us how to make the videos or upload the videos. There are some videos, they reference video they are posted in which we can with the help of that I make this video. So thank you, an academy, for being with us. Thank you.